Instead of a fire, we use NaOH and some other things, and that's how we do it. This is a 1 kilogram pack of NaOH, sodium hydroxide, caustic soda. We just need 60 grams of it. It comes in small white pellets. Never touch with bare hands, always use gloves. Next we need a piece of aluminum foil, rip it into small pieces and crumble them like this. Then we need a fireproof base. The paper just gives the camera a better sight. And a heat-resistant bowl. Put the crumbs of aluminum foil into the bowl. Add 60 grams of sodium hydroxide, NaOH, and add the threads of 3 Coca-Cola plastic bottles. Yes, only their threads are made from a different material than other brands. It consists of a carbon compound that will dissolve in our mixture. We could now pour boiling water on top already. But as it's the vibration, the information we work with here, I decided to add some leaves and herbs. Some rose petals. Many others on the web experiment with herbs and plants too. Some salvia leaves. Watercress currently populates our garden like weed. Perhaps this has a meaning. So I put it into the solution. And ivy. Into the solution. And remember, put on gloves. They have to be waterproof and much stronger than these. Pour 1 liter of boiling water into the bowl. Take care not to inhale the vapor. And do this outside. And immediately put the lid on. Take care that as little vapor as possible is lost. The vapor must stay inside. Within the first minutes, you can watch the aluminum foil dissolve. So be very careful. After 3 hours, it's cooled down and looks like this. Looks a bit disgusting, but mostly harmless. Doesn't smell as bad as it looks, but I think you shouldn't trust my nose. I poured it into this measuring jug, but it was too small. I should have poured it directly into the bottle if I'd had a cone. Pouring and pouring. The bottle is not suited for food anymore. Please mark appropriately and store safely. Mount a spray head from the scent shop. And use good gloves. This really burns the skin. And now, screw tight. The vapors must stay inside. Our coating is ready for use. This is in which the coating will take place. The copper coils go into a clean bottle. Taking the coils out again in the end was difficult, so please make sure you use a wide neck bottle. The narrow neck bottle I used here was no fun at all. Apply 1 or 2 sprays from the coating mixture. We don't need the solution here, but just the vapor. It's just a nano coating. Screw tight. Vapor now fills the inside, which will coat the copper coils within the next 24 hours. First, it looks like this. Put the bottle into the sunlight. After a few hours, it looks like this. Turn it around occasionally. And remember, use a wide neck bottle. Otherwise, you will have a hard time getting the coils out again. After a day, it looks like this.